Hi, this is Christophe Rabatel with the next episode of my video blog. Today, in Katowice, the biggest city of Silesian region, Carrefour is launching the new e-grocery store. For me, this is a great opportunity to share with you my thoughts on Polish e-grocery market and about Carrefour's e-grocery in general. The Polish e-commerce market was estimated at 40 billion zloty at the end of 2018 and nearly 50 billion for this year. With double-digit annual growth, Poland is one of the fastest developing e-commerce markets in Europe. According to PMR Institute, it reaches now around 5% of the value of general retail sales. It's quite a lot. The value of e-grocery market itself currently does not exceed 1%. However, it has strong opportunities to grow. Carrefour e-grocery store, launched 2 years ago in Warsaw, achieves 3-digit like-for-like growth, while according to Euromonitor International, the market grows by 15 to 20% year-on-year. Such great dynamics shows that customers are ready to buy groceries online. That is why we extend our offer for Katowice region today and plan to open our store in next major city in the first half of 2019. Why customers should choose Carrefour e-grocery? Let me take you for a short walk around. Carrefour e-grocery store based on the double-deck platform concept, which means that the e-grocery warehouse is located next to the Carrefour hypermarket, and together with the store is an integral wall. We are now in the so-called dark store. Dark store where our staff quickly complements the fast-moving product for customers' deliveries. Waters, soft drinks, papers, tissues, etc. The rest of the order, including fresh products, fruits and veg, dairy products, bakery or even the bio assortment, is completed in the hypermarkets. It gives us both the speed and the freshness of orders. When the orders are ready, they are double-checked by our quality controllers, confirmed and transferred through our logistics directly to customers. Our cars are equipped with fridges and freezers, so the goods are delivered with no loss on their quality and freshness, which is very much important for us. The deliveries routes are planned with the help of one of our startup solutions that was found and developed in our technology incubator, Carrefour Retail Lab. It takes under consideration several factors and plans the fastest deliveries to our customers. And here are the final deliveries to our customers. Okay, that's it. That's the whole process. As you can see, it is fast, reliable, double-controlled and efficient. Please feel invited to use our e-grocery store via carrefour.pl website, or you can m-commerce it via my Carrefour app on your smartphone. Do not hesitate to check it from today in Warsaw and in Katowice. Thank you very much. This was Christophe Rabatel from Carrefour's e-commerce dark store.